Okay guys, here are the two websites that pay you to chat with people online. On your Chrome browser, just search text 121 chat. This one. Now this is the website. If you are a chat operator, you can apply here. Let's see the requirements. The website only hires individuals from the United Kingdom, US, Canada, and Australia. You can see the vacancies here. If you are from those countries, you can consider applying for these jobs. The good thing with this job is that you can work from home at your own convenience. The next website is chat operator jobs. Chat operator jobs. Let's see. It's this one. Okay. In this website, immediate chat vacancy exists for American chat operators. You can apply online too. No experience is needed. Okay. I think you can see. Let us check some of the testimonials. Okay. I love the fact that there is work for me whenever I log into the site. I make quite a decent income each week from this line of work. You can see the testimonials from the employees. General requirements. Due to the nature of the website network, you must be open-minded. Okay, you must have good grammar and fluent English skills. You must answer a minimum of 75 messages over 3 weeks. Then the website does payment via PayPal. You must be 23 years or older. I think you can meet these requirements. If you are considering a part-time job or a full-time job, you can venture into this kind of work. Thank you guys.